We cannot blame the weather. We need turn-outs tomorrow. If it's sunny or rainy, the boys will step up and adapt to the weather, and we'll just play our hearts out and play just like our last game. The big task for us as a team, we'll just work on ourselves and what we can do in order to make the team score points and not overthinking or over plan of how the Reds are gonna play against us. Our focus is on us, how we're gonna play, how we're gonna set the intensity of the game. So the major learning for us was last week against Moana was on us, and we didn't stay in the system. So our focus tomorrow is to trust our system, work as a team, and play our hearts out. Quite an emotional one for us as a team. For the two players, we'll be leaving our Drua family. We were the pioneers of the Drua, and if each of our teammates will be leaving, we'll try to give him a happy ending, to be part of this team and part of the story of the Drua 2023 as we set out to sail the shore, and we'll be fighting our hearts out to our brothers that will be departing us. Kami na Bitokoni dina nandraki suasua nina loma rua chiko nina dia mai tokon ni matachimi rara se nina ndame ngadu mdivali kere kemuni moni lak mai walele wena kupuni ocho chiningito ni matachimi Drua na bakador chiko na nondabiti ni mai tokona sama ni matachimi moni mai saraba ka va dina taka na ocho chiningito bakador na